Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, and we are back.
We're back.
That's it, back for 2023. So lots of fun been happening, Rubes.
Absolutely, and it's not just the website that's back. We're actually now back in the store.
We are.
Yeah, we're off and firing.
We are. So a couple of really quick updates. The website. So the new website is up. There's only a few items listed on at the moment, but it seems to have stabilised. We're pretty happy with it. There's a couple of typos and things we still need to fix up, but generally we're pretty happy with it. So you'll see over the coming days we'll start uploading more and more items up onto the web, so keep an eye out for them. There'll be some brand new stuff, some interesting stuff, and also in a couple of weeks you're going to see us doing some live auctions on there, so stay tuned for that. The store is open, so level 6 227 Collins Street is up and firing. Now we have introduced the new accounting system or computer system into the back end.
We're all still getting familiar.
There's been some teething troubles, a bit of familiarity issues, that type of thing.
We're working our way through, but we're not quite as speedy yet as we'd like to be. So we are still moving, but yeah, we thank you for the patience of anyone who has already swung by. And if you decide to swing by, just keep in mind we may not be as quick to get things going, but we're going to get better.
We are getting better at it. Things are happening. A couple of changes we still have to make, but yeah, just maybe don't expect to get in and out within 5 minutes. It might take a little bit longer, so just stand by for that one. Phones are fully operational, 1300 84 84 10. We are clearing a whole backlog of messages and missed calls and that type of thing that have built up over the Christmas break. So you may have to leave a message, but we will get back to you, don't stress.
Emails too, I know that we had quite a few sitting there, so that is absolutely something we're hitting, but there's a whole backlog, so same in that area as well.
They cleared about 1,200 of them yesterday.
There you go.
And they're still going strong. So yeah, so if you've sent in an email with a question, just be patient. We will get back to you, but it might be a day or two. Shipping has started again. You should hopefully get some tracking numbers if you're waiting on those. Tracking numbers should start coming out today. Not everything has been packed yet and sent out, so if you have ordered something over that lead up into Christmas or over that Christmas New Year break, you may find it's still a couple of days before you actually receive notification, but don't stress, we have started the process rolling again. We've got lots of new stuff planned, as in products coming through this year, so stay tuned for those. Some good, exciting ones kicking off early in the season as well, so stay tuned.
Awesome. All right, well, let's get back to it. We'll see you next time.
See ya.